What's going on, man? It's your boy Terrence here at Motivation Juice, and today I'm going to be unboxing the vinyl cutter, which goes hand in hand with the heat press machine. As you can see, if you watch the unboxing, I didn't have a table for the heat press. I finally got one from Walmart. Probably paid a little bit too much money for it. I wanted to build it. This thing is very heavy. I'm hoping that it'll hold, but I am noticing that the table's a little wobbly. But we'll see how that works out. Right here we have the vinyl cutter still in the box, haven't even opened it yet. So that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna unbox that today. I'm actually ready to make a t-shirt today if I can get this working. So let's not waste any more time. Let's get to the unboxing of this vinyl cutter. Alright guys, let's get this unboxing started. Okay, so let's set it off here. Continue to take all this tape off. Right here. Like so. And here we go, the silhouette. Okay, the first thing I see, nice white box. Let's see what's going on here. Gotta be very careful with this stuff right here. So I'm gonna take this out, box. And here we go. Silhouette box, the Cameo. So we have the Cameo 4 silhouette. I'm not even sure like where I am in the class of vinyl cutters, but this is what I have and this is what I'm starting with. I have no other choice. All right, so classic white edition Cameo 4 silhouette, and it's Bluetooth. So let's see what this thing do here. All right, so to open, let's see what it comes in. Right, unbox right here, another box here. Let's see, setup directions, I guess that's what these are. Packaging inside this packaging. Let's see, what do we have here inside this box here? We have, I guess, the power cord. I'm guessing that's what that is. We also have a bunch of, I don't know what this stuff is right here, but we have it. A bunch of this stuff here. Let's get rid of this. More documentation. Oh, this looks like it must be the I forgot what they call this, yo. The cutting sheet, maybe. It has like a little grid on it. Maybe this is the cutting sheet. I'm guessing. I don't know. I have no idea. Yo, when I say I have no idea about this, I really have no idea. This is why this is very important for creatives like you and me. The journey. Not when I'm already selling 25, 30 t-shirts a day. I want you guys to see it from when there's nothing, there's no knowledge here. And we're gonna learn together. That's what this is about. All right, so let me stop talking. All right, so we got styrofoam as usual. Let's see if we can get this out of here. All right, lift it up. It's kind of light in comparison to the heat press machine. This shit is light. Put this over here. And here we go. So I'm gonna take this off right here. I'm gonna take this off here. Wrapped in an extra piece of whatever you call this stuff. And voila, here we go, the vinyl cutter. All right, so now I'm assuming that this stuff that comes in here, I'm assuming that I'll have to put some of this stuff in here, right? So I'm gonna have to read some directions, unfortunately. All right, but the first thing I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take this tape off right here. Actually, let's get this cutting sheet. Put that to the side. Let's take this tape off. I don't have to read the directions for that. Let's take this off. In here. Just add a little extra piece of tape here. I hope I was supposed to take this off. I have no idea. And take this off here. And there's some tape, as you can see, in the back. I'm guessing this is the back. I don't even know if this is the front of the back. This is crazy. So now we're going to take this piece of tape right here. We're going to take this tape off here also as well. And this is what it looks like, guys and girls. We have this right here. This is our Silhouette Cameo 4 vinyl cutter. I don't know if that's the front. I don't know if that's the back. I have no idea. But if you can see the bird's eye view, this is what we're looking like. We have this here. I'll flip it over here so you can see it like that. Right here. Turn it around. I'll flip it over this way like that so you can see it like that. We have one more piece of tape in there. I'm guessing I could take that off too. I'll start from the bottom. Now I'll take this off here. And it's out the box. So yo, we officially got our Cameo 4 out the box. Not set up yet though. So I'm gonna go through some directions and we're gonna set this joint up together. Why not? Let's do this. All right, so the first thing you have to do, it gives you this piece of paper, the piece of paper that comes inside of the packaging, and it tells you to go to this URL right here, silhouetteamerica.com/setup. So when you come here to the screen, you'll see this here. I'm not sure where to go, but I'm gonna go to English and hit continue. Register a new machine. I'm not gonna do that right now, but I will do that. I have the Silhouette Cameo 4, I believe. I don't have the plus. I have just the regular 4. So I'm going to click that. And it tells me check box for all my contents right here. I should have the cutter itself. I should have the USB cord, the power cord, the cutting mat, the blade, and the adapter. So I looked through all my stuff, and I in fact do have a blade, and I have an adapter. So I go through, removed all the foam and the tape. I did that. Connect the Silhouette Cameo 4 to the power supply, and then plug the cord into an outlet. Do not connect the USB cord to your computer. Okay, so I need to do that and set up and continue the next step. So I'm going to pause the video right here, and I'm going to connect the power cord and see what's up. All right, so I got my power cord. I'm going to open this joint up like so. Take these away. Like I said, we're going to go through this whole process together, and we're going to see what's up. I'm going to connect that in here. I'm going to undo this part here, like so. This might be the easiest part so far. And I'm going to put this right here in the side to connect this here. As we can see, goes right up in there like that, like so. Take the cord, go behind here, let's plug it in. First step completed, it is plugged in. Now I'm gonna take my USB wire, I'm gonna connect it to the machine, but the directions say do not connect to your computer yet. Why? I'm not sure. We'll find out. So now I got this here, and I am connecting this to the cutter USB cord, and that looks like it goes right here. And now I have my USB cord. Voila, voila. Step 1 and step 2, 1 and 2, done. Okay, I'm back on the computer now, looking for the next step. All right, do not connect the USB to your computer yet. Didn't do that. Set up the Silhouette Cameo 4. Lift the Silhouette Cameo 4 lid and power it on by pressing the power button to the right side. So lift the lid. It's not even telling me where the lid is. So let's find the lid. All right, so it wants us to lift the lid. I'm guessing this is the lid here. So Now, I don't know how to close it because there's a little bit of... Oh, okay. All right. Okay. So what happens is when you lift it, it goes back a little bit. Oh, okay. So you can pull it front and you can pull it back. I had it up and it was in and I was trying to pull. So be careful with that. So, okay. Let's go over this again. Now, I'm very clumsy and I'm very rough. Oh, I hit the power button by accident. Let's turn that off. Now, okay, check out what just happened. It made a weird sound. I probably know why. So, I'm trying to move it, but the power button is right here. So what happened is I accidentally hit the power button, which is right here. So now the crazy thing is, it's making a weird sound. It's probably, oh, see, I hit it again. 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 Gotta chill. I gotta chill. I hit it again. And it's probably making this weird sound because I'm gonna lift this up right here. Hold on, lift up, pull out. Lift up, pull out. See, it won't. Okay. All right. See, let's get this straight. All right. So lift up, and then you can push in. All right. Now it's probably making that sound because it's probably trying to move, but there's still more tape inside of this. Let me show you this. This is very important. Okay. So as you can see, there's still more tape. There's a piece of tape here. There's a piece of tape here, and there's a piece of tape here. So when I hit the power button right here, and you heard that, I'm guessing, I don't know. I'm guessing that maybe something was trying to move and it can't because it's taped up. All right. So be careful with that. And also, let me show you what I was doing wrong. It says on the directions, it says lift the Silhouette Cameo 4 lid. So I'm lifting it and trying to just lift up, and it won't go anymore. So what I found out is that you lift and then push in, and then I'm guessing this is the lid open. I'm guessing, I don't know. So I'm just gonna take these three pieces of tape off, and see what happens next. I'm taking this tape off, and I can see this, which I thought was a part of it. I think this is just something to protect it. So let's take this tape off here. I take this piece of tape off here, and now look, this comes out. So I'm guessing this was a protection piece, something to protect it. Maybe protect this part here. And now there's another piece of tape in here somewhere. So now another piece of tape here. I'm gonna take that off. You gotta really dig in there and get it out. Oh, and look at that. Another piece of protection. So the packaging of this is dope. All right, looks like there's another piece of tape even right here. Is that tape? Gotta be careful. Yep, take that out. Oh, another piece of protection right here. Okay. All right, so it looks like I got all the tape out, I'm thinking, and that's what we are looking like. You would be fooled and think that this is this tape also? I think this is tape also. Yeah, this tape right here, right here also. So I got to get in there and get this tape out, these two pieces of tape out right here. Like to get this tape out, my fingers are too big to get inside there. So it looks like I have to pull this out a little bit so I can get up under and take the tape out. Now I can kind of grab it. Aha, see, I got that out, one. And now we got to get this one out. Like I said, I can't get my fingers in right here. So I'm gonna pull out a little bit just to get back there. Get my finger back there. It's kind of hard. If you got big hands, it's gonna be very hard. I don't have very big hands, thank God. And we are out. Cool. Now I can push this back. And now I think we have all the tape out. I don't know what the hell this is, but I have a blank hole here. I'm thinking something goes in 1 and 2. And yeah. So there we go. Next step, let's go back to the computer and see what we need to do next. The one thing it did say is cut the machine on. I cut the machine on, but I had the tape on it. So now let's cut it on and see if we get that weird sound or if it's freely moving now. And there we go. And now we see it's moving from side to side. And it stopped. So now I think our machine is ready to go and ready to set up. Okay, back at the computer, we took all the tape off, the machine's on, and now we're ready to go to the next step. Install the Silhouette software. So I'm gonna click that, but we're gonna go Mac, because that's what I'm working on. Click there, and as you can see, it is downloading. The software has stopped downloading. I'm gonna open it. It's gonna do the Mac thing and verify and attach. Let's drag this right in here. All right, it's in there. So now I should be able to go to my Finder, go to my applications, and I should see Silhouette. Let's open this bad boy up. Okay, it's asking me okay, but okay for what? Let's click it. I trust it. Password. All right. Would you like to check for updates automatically? Why not? Continue. Install. Password. I agree. It's too late now to not agree. So we now have the Silhouette Studio software installed. Let's get started. So now I have the software. I have the blank slate of software. I guess it's ready for me to create. Install the software. After installation complete, launch the software from the desktop. All right, power the Silhouette machine. Connect the machine to your computer. All right, so now I'm going to connect the machine to my computer. Okay, so now the machine is connected to the computer via USB. The machine's on. I did number 2. I connect the machine to the computer with the USB cable. Now it says go to the Send panel. Click on the Send tab to open the Send panel. Confirm that your machine is connected and displays a ready status. Where is the Send panel? So panel, oh, okay, Send panel. Send panel, it says, click on the Send tab to open the Send panel. Confirm that your machine is connected and displays a ready status. I don't see a ready status. No carriage compatible cut action was found for the material. Send a different action. My machine is not ready, and probably because I haven't put anything in the machine, because I haven't found the setup page. See, if I go to the next step here, get your free designs, boom, 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 continue to the next step. So I'm thinking I need to be here. Learn how to use the Silhouette Cameo form. So let's go right here to the manual, PDF manual. Okay, so now I'm at the user manual. So it looks like you cut it on and get it registered, or I guess get your computer to recognize it before you even set it up. Because as you can see, I've done everything with you step by step. The one thing I do see from the manual, it seems to be pretty thorough right now, but the problem is that I think it should send you here first, because if you see the manual right here, it tells me and shows me all the tape that I saw. This is all the tape I had to take off, and it shows me all of that. But this is not the first thing you see as the manual. The first thing it tells you to do is set up the software, then it sends you to the manual. So I think personally that should be the other way around. So I still don't see that, but what I did see down here, it said update firmware. So I clicked on the update the firmware, and the machine did something. It cut off and then cut back on. Now it says load media. So I'm guessing maybe it's not ready because there's no media. There's nothing in here loaded. Yeah, I'm guessing that's what's going on. So I'm still going through the manual, and I'll be back when I figure something out. In this manual, it talks about the auto blade right here that the machine comes with. Inside the auto blade, you can see this little indicator line. I'm going to actually show you that right there. You know, you're going to see this little indicator line here. And as you can see, it tells you what number it should be on depending on what type of work you're doing. Me, I'm going to be using thin materials such as vinyl and smooth heat transfer material. So my blade setting needs to be at 1. If you read right here, it says if you're using the auto blade, the blade will automatically adjust when you send your design out to cut. So I'm assuming even if I have my blade set wrong, once I send my item to be cut, I guess I specify what it is and it'll auto adjust. I do not know. So I'm going to jump over to the other camera view so you can see how to adjust the blade. Okay, so here we are with the auto blade right here, right? So this is our auto blade. We have this back part right here. This looks like it may be some type of sensor, maybe to read something, I'm not sure. Right here we have these numbers right here. And these numbers start at 10 and it goes all the way down to 0. This right here is the blade. When you push it in, you can see the blade exposed. See? Right there, a little point come out. I push it in, you see that little point comes out right there. That's the blade right there. Okay, now, as I was talking about on the computer to adjust, if you look closely, you'll see a red little line right now. So right now my blade is set to 6. This red indicator tells you where your blade is set. Now, according to the directions online, since I'm cutting vinyl, I need to be over here at 1. Right now I'm at 6. So to adjust it, there's 2 ways you can do it. You can push it yourself like this, right? You push on this little circle, and every time you push, you see the blade comes out and you hear a click. Now, as you can see, I'm on 7. So I'm gonna keep on clicking. I'm gonna put my thumb here, and I'm gonna try to click so you can see it moving. I push in, I'm at 8, push, I'm at 9, push, I'm at 10. As you can see, that little red line is moving. If I push one more time, I should be back over here at 0. Let's see. Yep, I'm at 0. It's kind of hard to see it, but I'm at 0. I'm gonna push again. 1. I should be at 2. I should be at 3. There you go. Okay, now it's moving. And you'll find out as you push it, it does take a little time. Like the first couple of clicks, it didn't move for me. But now, as you can see, the red line is moving. I'm at 4. No, I'm at 3. I'm at 4. I'm at 4, I guess now. I'm at 5. Push. I'm at 6. I'm at 7. I'm at 8. I'm at 9. I'm at 10. And then it starts all over again. They also sent this tool right here because this blade, every time you push, if you use your fingers to push, as you can see, when you push, that blade comes out. That joint is sharp. You can cut your hands with that blade. So I guess that's why they give you this tool here. And with the tool, you could just line it up, I'm guessing. You line it up like this, I'm guessing. And you could just push. Or can you? Is this the way you use it? There you go. So you can put it on and you just push. Click in. See, and what I'm doing, I'm just clicking in. Click in. I'm pressing it in. Click in. Click in. I have my blade set at 1 like I wanted it to be set at 1. Looks like it's kind of like in the middle of like 1 and 2. So, but I'm going to put it in here. So now, when you put it in, the auto blade that it ships with, it has a 1 right here. And you can see right here, it has a number 1 right there. So I'm gonna place it inside here, like so. Push it all the way down, I guess, let me see. Place it in like so. Gonna push it all the way down. I don't want to force it though. Okay, hold on. Let me see. It doesn't look like it's going in. Maybe I need to pull this out first. Let's see. Aha. Okay, look. It was pushed in, and I'm trying to force it in. That's why it wouldn't go in. So first, you have to pull it out. So pull this out. Now I can take my blade. I'm guessing. Put my blade in. It does go all the way down. It clicks. So I click it all the way down and then push in. Uh-oh. Not going in. Let me pull it out. So these things are so delicate. So it's all the way down. And now it's all the way down. And now let's try to push in. And you heard a click. Okay, yeah, I did hear a click. Okay, so let's do that from the beginning. I'm going to pull it out. I'm going to take this out. So it was originally pushed in already. I had to pull it out, pull out, and now take my blade, insert in, push down, so you hear a click, click, all the way down, and now take this and push in. Push in until you hear another click, and that's it. Or you'll feel it. See, I can feel it. Yep, I feel it. See, out and in. You'll feel it. You'll feel like a little snap, a little click. And now our blade is in, okay? And it's cool because I don't need this anymore right here. So what you can do is go to your corner, you could slide this out, and you can put these in here. Oops, and you can put this right in here. And you can chill out there. And these also, these are your tool holders. So I could snap these in. I could snap these, snap. Snap. I don't know what these are used for. To tell you the truth, I can't even help you. Not right now. I'll do more reviews on it, I guess. So I close them all, and now I could just put them. Do they go in here? Do they all go in here? Let's see. Can they all fit? Not sure. Nope. I don't think they all can fit. So I'm not sure what's supposed to go in here, but I will put this in here because I will lose it. I'll put that in there. And these right here, I'll figure out where these go. Okay, so now our blade is inside of the machine. Right. And I think I'm good to go. All right, guys, so we have finally unboxed the Cameo Silhouette 4. We unboxed it, took the tape off, didn't break it, got our blade in, learned how to adjust the blade, put the blade in. Our computer is actually recognizing that we have a machine hooked up, and it's recognizing a blade. My next video will be actually setting up the vinyl and the paper and the cutter, whatever you call it. I don't know how to do any of that yet. I'm gonna figure that out, and next time I jump on, we'll be actually hopefully making our first t-shirt. I am super excited. I am pumped. It's your boy Terrence from Motivation Juice. Thanks for joining me on this journey. We are going to be in this together. All right. I just feel like this is very important because a lot of steps are skipped when you look at creators that or creatives that have already, you know, passed this step when they were actually trying to figure out how all this stuff works. And a lot of time you lose sight of that is that you have people that have absolutely no knowledge like me. So I'm the guy that's going to ride with you. You're gonna see all my mistakes, you're gonna see my successes, you're gonna see my failures. But that's what it's all about. It's your boy Terrence, Motivation Juice. Join me at the next video, hopefully next week, and we will be actually making our first design and our first t-shirt. Pow, 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 pow. Peace.